Hi, and welcome back to Holistic Tips with Nicole. If you're like me and you don't trust conventional dog food, and you'd like to learn how to make a well-balanced, holistic meal at home for your pup, then keep on watching. I always make sure to use stainless steel cookware for my dog, and myself really, because nonstick cookware can be dangerous to small animals due to inhaling the fumes that come from Teflon when it's heated, which has been known to cause a variety of illnesses including death in small birds. So you won't find any nonstick cookware in my house. So here I'm using an organic olive oil nonstick cooking spray because every little bit helps when you're using stainless steel. And today we're using vegetarian-fed bison with no antibiotics or hormones administered. I try to make the pieces as small as possible and heat the meat over medium heat. As they start to brown, I flip them over for another minute and then add about a half a cup of organic chicken broth. And about a cup of organic mixed vegetables. I cook for a few minutes until the veggies cook through. Then I add about a cup of already cooked organic brown rice to the mixture and remove from heat. My babe is a red toy poodle and she's 3 years old, approximately 9 pounds. So this will feed her for about 5 days at half a cup twice a day. Yum. But don't take my word for it. The proof is in the pudding, my friends, and I happen to have one picky pup. But as you can see, she absolutely loves it. And it gives me the peace of mind in knowing what I'm putting in her precious body. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And I'll see you next time.